Welcome to Autobike Focus, the channel where we dive deep into the world of engineering marvels, legendary machines, and futuristic designs that push the limits of technology. Today, our attention turns skyward to one of the most ambitious projects in modern aviation, the Mikoyan MiG-41, a fighter jet envisioned to redefine speed, stealth, and air dominance in 2026. Known in concept as a sixth-generation interceptor, the MiG-41 aims to succeed the MiG-31 Foxhound, carrying forward Russia's legacy of high-speed air defense, while adding advanced technologies suited for a rapidly evolving battlefield. The legacy of the MiG-31. To understand the MiG-41, it's essential to consider its predecessor, the MiG-31. Introduced during the Cold War, the MiG-31 was designed as a supersonic interceptor, capable of tracking and destroying enemy bombers and cruise missiles at extreme ranges. With its powerful radar and Mach 2.8 speed, it was among the fastest combat aircraft ever built. However, by the 2020s, even upgraded MiG-31 variants were showing their age. Russia needed a successor that could not only replace, but exceed the capabilities of the Foxhound in a new era of hypersonic weapons and stealth aircraft. This necessity gave rise to the bold concept of the MiG-41, concept and vision. The MiG-41 project was conceived as a next-generation platform designed to operate in environments where even the most advanced fourth- and fifth-generation fighters struggle. Unlike multi-role fighters such as the Su-57, the MiG-41 is envisioned primarily as a strategic interceptor, a role requiring unmatched speed, altitude, and reach. Reports suggest that its design focuses heavily on hypersonic performance, with the ability to achieve speeds between Mach 4 and Mach 5, making it one of the fastest military aircraft ever proposed. If realized, such speed would allow the MiG-41 to outrun enemy missiles, close distances rapidly, and dominate in interception missions. Airframe and design features. The design of the MiG-41 draws inspiration from its Foxhound predecessor, but incorporates futuristic aerodynamic shaping and stealth-conscious architecture. The airframe is expected to use advanced composite materials capable of withstanding extreme aerodynamic heating at hypersonic speeds. Stealth refinements such as reduced radar cross-section and minimized heat signature are integrated to help it survive in contested airspaces dominated by advanced detection systems. The combination of hypersonic capability and stealth would make the MiG-41 a unique platform, bridging the gap between manned aircraft and space-capable systems. Power plant and propulsion. At the heart of the MiG-41's ambition is its propulsion system. Reports suggest that Russia is developing a new class of turbofan ramjet hybrid engines, capable of pushing the aircraft into the hypersonic regime. This propulsion approach would allow the MiG-41 to take off and accelerate under conventional jet power, then transition to ramjet or scramjet mode at extreme speeds. Such an engine, if perfected, could give the aircraft the ability to operate at altitudes exceeding 30 kilometers, potentially entering near-space flight envelopes. Performance expectations. The performance goals for the MiG-41 place it in a category beyond traditional fighters. A maximum speed of up to Mach 5 would outclass all current aircraft, including the SR-71 Blackbird, and potentially rival experimental aerospace vehicles. Its service ceiling would allow it to fly higher than any operational fighter, enabling early detection and interception of threats. Furthermore, the MiG-41 is expected to incorporate long-range weapon systems capable of neutralizing not only conventional aircraft, but also satellites, drones, and even hypersonic missiles. Avionics and systems. For a fighter of the future, advanced avionics are non-negotiable. The MiG-41 is expected to feature a powerful radar system with the ability to detect stealth aircraft, long-range tracking capabilities, and robust resistance against electronic warfare. Artificial intelligence integration may play a role in target tracking, weapons management, and autonomous operations, helping pilots manage the complexity of high-speed missions. Some reports suggest that the MiG-41 could be designed with optional unmanned capability, allowing it to operate as a drone for particularly dangerous missions. Weapons and armament. The weapon systems of the MiG-41 reflect its role as an interceptor and strategic defense asset. Long-range air-to-air missiles such as the R-37M or next-generation hypersonic variants will likely form its primary arsenal. These missiles could engage enemy bombers, reconnaissance aircraft, and stealth fighters at ranges exceeding 400 kilometers. Additionally, the MiG-41 is rumored to carry anti-satellite weapons, giving it the unprecedented ability to target space-based assets and hypersonic interceptors designed to neutralize ballistic or cruise missiles in flight. This makes the MiG-41 not just an aircraft, but a strategic weapon platform. Stealth and survivability. Despite its hypersonic ambitions, the MiG-41 is also designed with stealth in mind. Advanced radar-absorbing coatings, internal weapon bays, and refined airframe shaping reduce its detectability. However, unlike the F-22 or F-35, its survivability may rely less on complete stealth and more on a combination of extreme speed and high altitude, which together reduce the window of vulnerability against enemy defenses. In essence, the MiG-41's philosophy is, if the enemy cannot see you early enough and cannot catch you, survivability is assured. Strategic role. The strategic role of the MiG-41 is unique compared to conventional multi-role fighters. Its primary mission is to defend Russian airspace against high-speed, long-range threats such as stealth bombers, reconnaissance aircraft, and hypersonic missiles. Operating as a shield for the nation's borders, it is expected to work in tandem with ground-based defense systems and space-based surveillance. Its ability to potentially strike satellites adds another dimension, allowing it to influence conflicts beyond the atmosphere. In 2026, the MiG-41 stands as a conceptual leap forward, designed not for today's wars, but for the conflicts of tomorrow. Global context and rivals. The development of the MiG-41 does not occur in isolation. Other major powers are also pursuing sixth-generation fighters, such as the U.S. Next Generation Air Dominance NG-8D program and Europe's Future Combat Air System, FCAS. However, while these focus on stealth, sensor fusion, and multi-role adaptability, the MiG-41 emphasizes speed, interception, and space-related operations. This unique approach highlights Russia's different strategic needs, protecting vast borders, countering hypersonic weapons, and maintaining a deterrent against technologically advanced adversaries. Export and future possibilities. While the MiG-41 is primarily intended for Russian service, questions remain about its export potential. Its advanced technology and high costs may limit widespread sales, but strategic allies could express interest if production becomes viable. Furthermore, the program faces significant technical and financial challenges, meaning timelines may shift and capabilities could evolve as development progresses. Even so, the MiG-41 represents an ambitious vision of what future interceptors might look like, challenges and limitations. Despite its bold goals, the MiG-41 faces serious challenges. Achieving sustained hypersonic flight in a manned aircraft is a monumental engineering task, requiring breakthroughs in propulsion, material science, and avionics. High costs and Russia's constrained defense budget also pose potential obstacles. Critics argue that the MiG-41 may remain more of a technological demonstrator than a mass-produced fighter. Nonetheless, the pursuit of such a project pushes boundaries, and even partial success would represent a major leap forward in aerospace capability. Into the future outlook. Looking ahead, the MiG-41 could enter service in the 2030s, though in 2026 it remains a project rich with promise and speculation. If completed as envisioned, it would become the fastest and most advanced interceptor in the world, bridging the line between atmosphere and space. Its combination of hypersonic performance, advanced weaponry, and strategic versatility would make it not just a fighter, but a game-changing platform for global air power. Conclusion. The 2026 Mikoyan MiG-41 stands as a symbol of ambition, innovation,